So I was riding through the trails in my woods today and I ended up hitting something going around a corner real tight, and it ended up bending my brake pedal in. So I had to come back to the garage since my foot couldn't reach it to operate it. So I just wanted to quickly share with you guys what I did to fix it. Hopefully it helps somebody out.
As you can see, it got hit pretty good. It's bent all the way back to the footrest. The best way I found to fix this is to take a pipe that's wide enough to fit over the brake lever knob, but also long enough to get enough leverage to bend it back into place. The trick is to go in small increments, to slowly and carefully bend it back, because you really don't want to get too crazy and risk making it worse or possibly breaking it by using too much pressure or going too much in the wrong angle. So I basically just keep slowly bending it back in small increments, checking it as I go until I get it back to where I want it. Or at least where my foot can comfortably reach it. Once you think you have it where you want it, double check again with your foot to make sure it's comfortable. After that, you should be good to go.
Thanks for watching. I hope it helped you out. If it did help you out, please like this video so it gets shown to other people to help them out. Share it with somebody else that you know to help out, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my other videos. Thanks again. Appreciate it.